Most schools react too fast. I help a school community right now doing 25K a month, and this is the biggest unlock I've had in like a month or so. Which is, in the past, I would get very frustrated when I didn't know how to solve a problem, even if it was very itsy bitsy small, and I couldn't let it go. And because it's annoying to not know something. Also, I thought, and this would show up in all kind of places. For example, I would be watching some sort of movie. It's terrible. I'm 30 minutes in. I mean, normally I'd drop those, but there was a pulling me to keep going and finish the film, or film has to get stopped halfway through because somebody I'm watching with has to go do something, and I'm fucking frustrated. And ever since moving away from that, through realizing that literally it doesn't matter, I get to focus on problems that are the highest priority thing. And I think the biggest thing was letting go my ego around it, which was, oh, bro, I have to know how this thing works. And it's like, who cares? And would I rather know this thing or just be successful? Would I rather know this very hyper niche specific problem, or can I just ignore the problem, knock over some other big domino that completely changes things, and focus on that instead of getting pulled by this? And I think being able to leave open loops in my head has been a huge unlock, which has made me more successful. Okay, bye.